This leaves your home smelling good without flies, without mosquitoes, and spending almost nothing. To start today's tip, we will use a lemon. With the use of a knife, I will cut the bottom of the lemon to keep standing. Tell me how you make tips to ward off insects in your home. I'd love to know if you've used lemon this way. Then we'll also cut in half the same way I'm doing, in the middle of the lemon. Now the ideal is to make a hole for the following. Use of a candle, being item that will make this tip effective. Just a small candle is enough, or even if you cut a normal candle into a small piece. The candle is the main item for this tip, being indispensable. I will now put on the sides also cloves. This spice is very fragrant and one of the items that will help in the aroma of your home and are very important to ward off flies. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Rome Osborne from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This tip today is for all home environments. After I started using, I no longer have problems with insects, and my visits always ask me, what was the secret I used? The neutralization of odors is perfect with this tip, being ideal even for use in the bathroom. When lighting the candle ends up with any odor. Now I will use 2 sticks. I will put standing on the side of the lemon, using 2 units so the other end will be above the candle, where I will put the other half. You can even do this tip in other ways, also using oranges or another type of lemon. Using this tip only for a short period in the day today. In your home, you can already have a better aroma. And the main thing is to keep the insects away from your home. The ideal is the use of each aroma of this in a room of your home, even so we can use another fruit. But with the acidity of lemon is what makes this tip more adaptable for use. And so our tip will be ready. I will only light the candle, and we can already notice the aroma of lemon in the room. Everyone will be surprised by the result of this tip, and even by serving as a decoration. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Tell me later if you got the desired result for use in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.